One of the major benefits of having a brand registered with Amazon is it allows you to create your own branded storefront. This is accessible from Stores, Manage Stores. Here you can see a list of the stores that you manage. You can then see inside on those stores, which are analytics about the traffic on the stores, or you can edit a store. Here you will see the name of the store, and that is the brand which you have registered. Let's edit a store. From this drop down at the top, you can choose to edit the live store, or you can edit a store which is in a sandbox environment and can be edited without changing anything live, or you can create a new version of the store which will also appear in the sandbox and can be edited. Let's edit this store here which is in the sandbox. A store can be previewed or it can be submitted for publishing. If you submit it for publishing, it will have to be approved by Amazon and you can set a launch date. Let's look at the store settings here on the left. The brand display name appears here on the shop. It's a free text field, and Amazon advises you avoid phrases such as shop now or information such as limited or LLC. You can choose whether or not to have this brand logo which you submit appear on the shop front. If you choose to have it appear, it'll appear here in the header. You can choose what sort of product display you want. You can choose the standard, which is shorter and has a button, or you can choose longer, which doesn't have a buy now button. If we click the pages option here at the top, we can then edit the pages. An Amazon storefront is made up of one or more pages. There's the home page, which every site has to have. These pages are listed here on the left. You can set the navigation structure. This shop here has 3 pages under a home page. These are all directly accessed from the main menu. However, if you change the ordering of these pages, you can put them under a page. So now we're putting this page and this page under the product grid page, and you can see it will create a drop-down menu. New pages can be added using this add a page option. You can add a title to a page and a meta description. A meta description is text which is picked up by search engines. There's a number of templated options for how a page will appear, and also you can define your own code by selecting this blank template. Here we'll create one with a product grid. See, it has appeared under this menu option here, product grid. If we then take it to the left here, it will appear as its own menu option. A page is made up of a number of sections. You can add sections here at the top. The options are, for example, a product, where you would define a product by a keyword. So I'm searching for a product here and I'm going to add it. You can choose the text and image position, or options like a clickable image where you would choose where it would click through to. Similarly with an image with text, text in its own, a video, product grid, best-selling products and recommended products, and featured deals. The header is the same on every page. It's an image which is at least 3000 by 600 pixels. So this page here, which is I've given the title, has a product grid, which I've selected 5 products for, which appear here. And then it also has a product as well, which is a feature on a product. And we click done. And if we select another page, we can see this one here just has a product grid. Let's add a gallery, and for this gallery you can add a title and a description, and then you can add a number of images. So here I've added 3 images, and these will appear in a carousel here. Once a store has been finished, it can be submitted for publishing. The store will be submitted for review. Once the review is finished, it can go live. Once it is approved, you can choose a date for it to go live. Once you have your store set up, you will be able to see analytics on the performance of the store. This is available by clicking the See Insights button on the store's homepage. You can choose the date range and export the data. Insights are divided into traffic, where you can see the traffic to the store, sources and popular pages, and also traffic by date. Sales, where you can see the sales from your store, the sources of those sales, and the sales and visitors by day. Pages, where you can see information on your most popular pages and the sales from those pages. And finally, sources, where you can look at where the sources for your sales come from. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.